Hi everybody, let's take a look at the short sound versus the long sound. Listen and repeat after me. Let's start with a and ah. Cat, cart, hat, heart, match, and march. Now let's take a look at I and E. Sit, seat, it, eat, ship, sheep. What about and or? Cod, cord, pot, port, fox, forks. Now let's take a look at oo and oo. Pool, pool, full, fool, goods, goose. Next, let's look at and 10, turn, bed, bird, west, and worst. And finally, and shut, shirt, bun, burn, gull, girl. Now let's review. So I want you to look at the worksheet and you can circle the word you hear or just point to the word. 1, bird. 2, ben. 3, look. 4, sport. 5, sock, cap. 7, bag. And finally 8, pan. So, how did you go? Here are the answers. So, how did you go? If you still don't understand and you still can't tell the difference, you can listen and watch this video again. Or you can go back and watch all the short and long vowel videos that we've put on our channel before. So as I said, if you don't understand, all you need to do is practice, practice, practice. Listen again and again and again, and you will improve your listening skills. Remember, as I always say, practice makes perfect. So, that's it for today. Bye for now. Bye-bye.